When COVID-19 happened and it hit home, healthcare had become a significant worry for many nations. It actually became such a worry that it was on top of the list for spending money to limit that impact on the economy. The United States government spent 3.26 billion in September of 2021, and now the global healthcare market will represent 10 billion in 2022. We're here to speak about Galeon. Now, who are they? They are an electronic healthcare platform that's actually created by caregivers that are deployed in hospitals. And thanks to blockchain, patients can gain control over their data. Galeon's medical blockchain allows patients and token holders to decide the subsequent groundbreaking discoveries. Now, Galeon has a community of more than 30,000 registered users. Now, Galeon has developed a cloud based platform for managing hospital patient files at scale. And that enables the secure exchange of information between different hospitals, patients, and caregivers in that city. Now, this development was conducted with the help of several hundred caregivers and paramedics of over nearly 6 years to produce an ergonomic business software that's actually very easy to use. Now, it has gained user acceptance and it integrates easily with existing hospital tools. Now, now that we spoke about that, now let's go into the Galeon token. Now, the Galeon token is a cryptocurrency that is used in Galeon healthcare ecosystem. The company created an ecosystem and uses cases so that the Galeon token becomes rare over time due to its use. Now, the Galeon cryptocurrency will be used on several different levels. The first is going to be hospitals that will be able to pay for certain health hospital software services with Galeon tokens. Now, each time a new hospital is deployed, that interconnection with other software will be paid for in Galeon tokens. Now, the Galeon token is used by hospitals to pay for these services, and they will be eliminated. This mechanism will gradually reduce the total number of Galeon tokens. So, the more hospitals, the fewer Galeon tokens will be in circulation. The cryptocurrency Galeon will serve to access the ICO and Galeon platform. So, to participate in round one, you need to fold a token. So, to ensure mass adoption of the Galeon ecosystem, the Galeon token will be deployed on multiple blockchains with an intermediate system that ensures that amount in circulation always remains the same. Now, the Galeon token will be present in blockchain, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. Now, Galeon tokens are present in the Ethereum blockchain because of the community strength and the very intelligent contract ecosystem. So, its presence in this blockchain facilitates different access to listing on centralized exchanges. So that's going to eliminate the listing on leading decentralized exchange, Uniswap, as well. Now, the current version of Ethereum makes transactions fees onerous, and Galeon wants to ease access for smaller investors and the entire decentralized finance ecosystem. So as a result of this, the company decided to list on Binance decentralized brilliant chain leader PancakeSwap. Now, the availability of the Galeon token in Binance Smart Chain could make it easier to list on Binance centralized exchange. As well as we're going to have a different thing as well, and that's going to be that Galeon's operational data structured technology is going to allow for deployment of a business tool capable of actually existing with patient records at hospitals, offering the healthcare institution the ability to modernize their information and create structured and all-in-one applications. Now, structured health data allows scientists to study large patients with unprecedented ease and tremendous accuracy. Now, the advancements of this research leads to greater visibility and additional revenue for healthcare providers who really want to be at the forefront of research. Now, visualization and data management tools integrated into Galeon allows managers to really track 100 quality metrics in real time and tailor their management strategies based on metric results. The data is structured in a business tool without increasing the burden on the caregiver. Now, this structured and accurate data allows hospital billing tools to be used to ensure the most precise billing. Now, the external actions and consultations is a vital asset to optimize external billing over time and allows hospitals to automate their revenue source. So it's a big deal in that way. Now, as well, we're going to have a few other things, such as the structured data is the fuel of artificial intelligent medical tools under development. Now, the Galeon tool allows hospitals to generate, let's see, they're going to generate um, large amounts of structured data, and it's going to help them improve that said data. Now, Galeon has already established a non blockchain partnership with healthcare innovation companies. Galeon's first partnership is with TechMed, and that's a medical device company, if you're not too sure of that. Now, the Galeon team is building multiple alliances in the blockchain sector, and the French startup ecosystem is going to accelerate the adoption of this technology. All right. Now, I've already told you who Galeon is, and you're probably wondering, well, what do they have? Well, when you visit the blockchain website Galeon, you're going to have a launchpad and you're going to see this information as well. So let's go over the values, right? So it's a community launchpad that there is no venture capitalist, only community, and anyone can participate in the ICO. Now, good for humanity projects, not only strong projects with good for humanity goal can be funded on this launchpad. And it has a very strong ecosystem as well with 30,000 investors in the Galeon community. So projects greatly increase the chances of success in their ICO. Now, how that launchpad works is going to be phase one initiation. Phase one is going to be 50% of the amount that is raised in early access of the Galeon community. The Galeon advantages including burn, is going to be 5% discount. The price is very favorable. The cliff is 1 month, vesting 1 year, and a hard cap that is according to the project. Now, the minimum is $500 with a maximum of $25,000. As well as phase two, the liftoff is going to be the same with 50% of the amount to be raised in early access for the Galeon community. The advantage, including the burn, is still the same 5% discount. The price is favorable. There is no cliff. There is no vesting. And again, the hard cap is according to the project. There's a minimum of $200 and a maximum of $10,000. And now phase three, the listing. And that is open to everyone and market. So you're going to be able to check this out. Visit their website. It's really going to be very cool. When you go to Galeon here as well, if you go to solutions, you're going to see that they have, and my is not translated from French because it is a French startup. You're going to be able to see that they have studies with gynecology, obstetrics, as well as anesthesia and patient portals. So they have this right off the bat. You can even see the testimonials as well. And you're really going to be shocked and amazed because this is definitely going to be something that's very big. When you even go to the testimonials, you can see that there are many people that really love to help other people. So the whole idea of this is exactly to make it easier for you. So give it a shot. Look at Galeon right now, and I promise you, you are going to be amazed.